I can't cook. Literally every cooking video I post on my channel is a disaster. But today my aim is to make some good meals and prepare a proper dinner for my family. So I messaged 3 popular Jamaican chefs asking them what I should prepare for breakfast, lunch and dinner. And later on in the video I'm gonna let my family taste test whatever it is that I cook for dinner. So keep watching and let's start with breakfast.
Hey Shamar, so today you are going to be making a omelette, but not just any omelette. You're going to be making a Spanish frittata. What is that? It's basically an open-faced omelette. So what you're going to do is you're going to saute your aromatics, so your red peppers, your onions, whatever else you're going to put in there, and then you're going to put in your beaten eggs, right? Then you're going to move that around a little bit until it starts to firm up. Then you're going to put your cheese on top, put it in a preheated 350-degree oven, and then serve it. And that's going to be your breakfast. I'm excited. I'm sure you're going to do a great job, so let's get to it.
Okay guys, so these are the ingredients. Going something along with what Chef Chris had said, along with me doing my own research and looking it up online. So I have the what is extra virgin olive oil. I have 4 eggs, the cheese, the aromatics. It's not a red pepper, but I think it should work anyways. And this potato, first thing I have to do is work on the tomatoes, the potatoes. So a long time no boil potato, you know. So to the point I don't even know, do I put it in there first after I peel it, or do I make the water boil up and then put it? I don't know. I really don't know, guys. So let me just assume that this is how it's done. But I speed this up still, so you guys don't even see how much I struggle. Alright, guys, I don't think it look bad enough. It actually look pretty much decent. Let's put it in there now. Nobody can see me and a chef now. Okay guys, so I just turned on the oven, so that's going to be preheating according to Chef Chris's instructions. I guess I'll just go and shred up the cheese in the meantime. Alright, so I've chopped up the cheese, and I also decided to just chop up the, what's the fancy word that Chris used? Aromatics. So we have the cheese ready, the aromatics. I think I'm gonna beat the eggs now. All while this is still in the pot, but it's almost ready, I think. Alright, so the potatoes are finally ready. Now I'm gonna turn on the frying pan. Okay, this one I don't know what is happening.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so the Spanish frittata is finally done, and I don't think it looks half bad enough. Only thing is the cheese never melt. I just dived right in, pause, and started eating it. Double pause. Wasn't that good to be honest, but I think that's heavily on me. Made my mom taste it, and she told me to not waste it. But then I wasted it. You know, that's the most complicated breakfast I think I've ever really made, and me usually make dumplings for breakfast, so that's saying a lot. Chef Chris, I don't know how I did. You can let me know in the comments or something, guys. But I think I did okay. It wasn't the best. It wasn't the best. But now it's time for lunch, so let's go.
Guys, Chef Dacres here. So Shamar Crossfield asked me to take full control of what he have for lunch. I assume person that was in charge for breakfast asked you to maybe have a heavy breakfast. I don't know, I'm just saying. So what I'm going to ask you to do is have a light salad and a smoothie for your lunch, just to balance out thing a bit, because I don't know what you probably have a heavy breakfast or a breakfast that is high in cholesterol. I don't know, I'm just saying a light salad and a smoothie.
Okay, alright, that not sound too bad and it not sound hard, so we'll see what the result is like. Alright guys, so it's lunchtime. Actually, it's kind of late. It's around like after 2 now. I'm on the road and I'm gonna buy the fruits right now. That Dacres, oh, by the way, Dacres, you didn't specify what type of salad. Okay, so technically Dacres actually did specify in like a WhatsApp message one time, but I just like I ended up getting a new phone and I ended up losing the message, blah blah blah. Technically he didn't specify, therefore, because you know I was gonna eat a vegetable salad. I'm not, if you know me, I'm not into vegetables, guys. So we're going to purchase some fruits right now, and we're gonna make a salad. And I'll probably make a oatmeal smoothie later. Okay, guys. Don't mind that. Anyway, about banana, grapes, orange, apple, as well as a papaya. These are the things that are gonna go into my my salad. I think we have watermelon at home. I don't. Maybe not. So these are what I'm gonna put into the salad. I'm also going to use the bananas in the smoothie, which is gonna be made of like oats and bananas and like syrup. You guys are gonna see it. Let's get right into the cooking. I think this is gonna be the best meal of the day. Yo, what's up, guys? Oh, you know, I'm just here right now chopping up the fruits for the vegetable fruit salad that Chef Dacres asked me to make. Alright, guys, so this is my fruit salad. I'm gonna make the smoothie in a little bit because it's just so much stuff, but this is the fruit salad. I think by the time I'm done eating all of this, it's literally gonna be like, I'm gonna be so full.
Wait a minute. Wait a damn minute.
So what I'm going to ask you to do is have a light salad. Light salad.
But I have the oranges, the papaya, the grape, the banana, and apple in there. Everything's in there. It's nothing crazy. It's gonna taste how I'm gonna expect it to taste. It's just fruits. All of the fruits I'm sweet, as I'm supposed to do. It's a fruit smoothie. There's not much more to expect. I'm a complete eater now.
Later.
Hi guys, it's Chef Boydyardie here, and I will be in control of what Shamar eats for dinner today. I want Shamar to create sweet and sour shrimp, which was the last dish that I made on my Instagram. You can head over there and check it out. It's at Chef Boydyardie. So I wish Shamar all the best on this challenge. Oh, he has to, I don't know what he's gonna eat with it. I had white rice. Veggies are of utmost importance here. Bro, make sure you put some veggies on the side. Good luck to your dish. I am looking forward to how it turns out. So yeah, sweet and sour shrimp. You go, man.
Guys, I have no words. I mean, she pretty much provided everything. So all I can do now is really just act on it. So wish me luck. Alright guys, so Chef Boydyardie is asking for quite a lot out of me. Sweet and sour shrimp. Me never yet cook shrimp. Me never yet cook sweet and sour chicken, much less. But anyways, I have the ingredients right here. I actually looked up a recipe online just to get some more detail based off of what Chef Boydyardie was already saying, but these are the ingredients for the sauce. I have brown sugar, soy sauce, pineapple chunks, but I'll probably like use the juice out of it, I don't know. Cornstarch, tomato paste, and vinegar. And we have the oil, the salt, black pepper, these things right here. I have pimento, which I'm probably gonna just throw in there, and the shrimp. I've been doing a lot of talking, and honestly you guys aren't even gonna see much action because it's gonna take, I really have to get this right, guys. This is literally my family's dinner. I have to try and get it right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna catch you guys. I'm probably gonna insert some quick clips from like probably the camera or the phone. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product though. So alright, that's a stretch. Alright guys, so this is dinner. Oh boy, I hope it tastes good. We're gonna do a live taste test right now. I put some food coloring in it, which is why it's red. I don't know, maybe I hope I didn't put too much in there. And I also have the string beans. Okay, so this is the shrimp. Wow, It's actually sweet and sour and tangy. Weird. Wow. I had to stop talking so that I could just fully savor the delectable tongue-tingling sensation that was this sweet and sour shrimp. Guys, I shocked myself. It was all just so good, bruh. The taste, the texture, the color, the everything. Take a taste. How it tastes? Yeah! I didn't taste the rice. It tastes good, though. After letting my mom and my sister taste it, I just finished eating it myself. It was really good, and I even ate it the next day for dinner. Massive W, guys. Guys, it's positive reviews all around. I'm a chef, guys. I accomplished my goal. I am a chef. I can cook now. So that's a big, big success. Thank you guys for watching. Shamar Crossfield.